Today is 28th of November, and we continue our visit in Taiwan. Yesterday it was so eventful day. We visited 3 schools, and in afternoon time we also took part in international student festival, and is very nice and interesting to take part in this event because we met a lot of different students from different countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Hong Kong, Macau, Japan, Korea, and so on. It's really beautiful event. And today we continue, as I already mentioned. We are going to visit another school which is affiliated to Chiayi National University, and later on we deliver some lectures to university students, PhD students, master students, and obviously some lectures. Today also we expect to have so rich and fruitful day, including different activities and different discussions with colleagues, and obviously it's so good day is waiting for us.
Teachers College only 2 years. So 2 years ago I was here for 4 years.
Yeah.
But today I'm the guest.
Okay.
So I think we will welcome our guest again, because all of the professors were just very famous academic researchers in science education. So maybe we could have some exchange about the science education, because this school also famous in science education, and they have a very good performance for each competition in science area. Yeah.
Yes, we see a lot of cups and awards.
Yeah. Let me introduce you. It's Sandra Lai, also our former principal of this school.
Nice to meet you.
And Minsyong Chu is the director of our research. Yeah, and her duty is for international exchange and some such like science education and some competition in science area. So I think she is also
Computer teacher.
Computer teacher. So it's good in technology too.
After visiting the university-affiliated school, experimental school, we arrive on another campus. In particular, this is the Minsyong campus, and this campus has 2 colleges. First, it's College of Education, and the next one is College of Humanities and Arts. For us, the main interest is to explore the College of Education, or so-called Teachers College, and in particular this college has clear visions and goals, and it seeks to pursue academic excellence, diversity, and innovation in the field of teacher preparation and educational research. The college has some departments, in particular Department of Education, Department of Counseling, Department of Special Education, Department of Early Childhood Education, and Department of E-Learning Design and Management.
that we put our picture books or the children's books here. So our student can borrow all the pictures and to prepare as their teaching material. And also sometimes we invite some children from kindergarten to be here, and we student can practice doing some practice. Yeah, so it's all picture books.
Hello everyone, welcome to National Chiayi University Minsyong campus. And then in this campus it was quite historical and including have a lot of departments such as Chinese history, e-learning. Especially it also have some sports and some faculty about teacher faculty. So most of the people who comes to Minsyong campus also wanted to be the teacher. We also can learning some teachers lessons and get some teachers license in here. So welcome to visit Minsyong campus.
Also, it's possible to say once again that National Chiayi University was established on February 1st, 2000 by merging the previous National Chiayi Teachers College and the previous National Chiayi Institute of Technology. The long history, development and growth of the university are closely tied with the economic, social and educational needs and changes in Taiwan over the past century. The university now has 6 colleges, which include 7 doctoral programs, 42 full-time master's degree programs, 12 part-time master degree programs, and many undergraduate programs. National Chiayi University is one of the top comprehensive universities in Taiwan, covering a wide range of domains such as life science, agriculture, management, science and engineering, humanities and arts, and obviously education.
Hi! So, if you walk on this way, there also have 2 departments. One is Department of Music and Art and another is Foreign Language. And in the end of this road, we'll have a goose lake, but today, sadly, we didn't have too much time, so I cannot take you guys to have a look. But it was a really huge lake, so some people or some like grandparents, they will take their grandkids to there to have, you know, like to chill and also feed the fish or something like that. Yes.
As it was said before, the Minsyong campus is located in Minsyong Township and accommodates the Teachers College and College of Humanities and Arts. It's really interesting and beautiful campus. Also, we have a good opportunity to shortly visit Chiayi Performing Arts Center, and the planning for the center began in 1995 and construction started in 1997. The center is built in a 60 hectares of land, which consists of auditorium, theatre hall, rehearsal classroom, open-air theatre, art gallery, tourist service area, restaurant, some shops, stage, pavilions, etc. We first visited here in 2009, so it's quite interesting to see some possible changes after 15 years period. The day is flying by and it's getting dark, so we decided to visit Pineapple Hill for a short time. This place in Minsyong is famous for quality pineapples, so the store is named Pineapple Hill. Obviously we have a short tour in this factory store, and in particular pineapple cakes are the undisputed most famous snack in Taiwan, a country well known for its packaged snacks. It can be said that pineapple cakes are rectangular or square-shaped baked cakes with a preserved pineapple interior and pastry shell. Bakeries in Taiwan have been making them for over 100 years. The day is approaching to an end, and we were invited to have a dinner in one of the Japanese restaurants in Chiayi. As Taiwan had been a Japanese colony for 50 years, there are many traditional Japanese culture preserved in Taiwan, and one of which is food. In addition, it can be said that this is extremely fresh and deliciously cooked food. The decoration is exquisite and enjoyable. It is really a calm and cozy place that specializes in traditional Japanese cuisine, with a focus on sushi, vegetarian dishes, and noodle options, where menu offers a wide variety of choices.
Oh, sorry, not to do.